everyone. This is your Pasay Baller and another edition for the second game of today's matches, November 22nd, 2020. So it's Brgy Ginebra going up against Meralco nung game 2. Tinambakan na ng Ginebra to. Honestly, when I looked at the score, sometime second quarter, bumili na ako ng donuts nun. Sabi ko, lato, tambak na. Bumili ako ng Dunkin' Donuts and pag-uwi ko, lamang pa rin naman ng Ginebra, and then maya-maya, pagtingin ko, habol na. And at the same time, maya-maya, 10 na lamang ng Meralco. So grabe din yung nangyari dun sa game 2, Brgy Ginebra versus Meralco. 1-1 na po tayo ngayon. So what's gonna happen later on? Meralco has the momentum, obviously, and with what happened, gandang confidence ang binigay nito sa Meralco. Of course, natalo nyo, nahabol nyo, at the same time na-close nyo yung game with the victory. Going into the third game, alam nila na kaya nilang talunin ng Ginebra. Kahit lumamang pa yung Ginebra, kaya nilang habulin. Just like what they did in game 2, diba? So, maganda yung pagkapanalo talaga nila. Of course, if you're Brgy Ginebra, you're also motivated, diba? Gusto mong bumawi. Gusto mong, you don't want to let this series slip. 1-0, diba? Convincing yung game 1 mo. Number 1 overall ka nung elimination. So of course, ayaw mong maiwan ka with the 1-2 record. You don't want to let Meralco win later tonight. So who's gonna win? So what's my prediction for tonight? It's hard. Mas mahirap to sa totoo lang for me. This is harder as compared to sa Talk and Text versus Phoenix, because again, Meralco is playing well. Meralco has momentum. Meralco has new, young, and good players. So hindi basta-bastang katalo-talo si Meralco. But at the same time, napakagaling din naman ng coach ng Ginebra at marami rin silang reliable. So for me, the safe approach on this one is for us to pick Meralco plus 6. So again, normally hindi na ako magbibigay ng normally hindi ako nagbibigay ng plus or minus, but for today I'm giving plus, and again I'm giving it for Meralco. It's plus 6 or plus 5 kay Meralco. Again, it's gonna be Meralco plus 5 or plus 6. For me, I'm picking that because it's either Meralco would win, or kung matalo man si Meralco, I don't think it will be a huge blowout, just like what happened in game 1. And again, that's just for me. So again, my pick on this one, dito sa game 2, it's gonna be Meralco plus 5 or plus 6, kung anong available dun sa inyo, kasi syempre iba-iba yung tinataya, may bookie, may online. Kung ano yung mayroong mas mataas, then pick that one for safer approach and for better chances of winning. Parang raffle naman. Ganun naman talaga, probability ng sugal. Okay? So, marami pong salamat sa nasuporta. Again, hinay lang tayo sa pagtaya, kung naman yung todo-todo. And for those who are sending messages dun sa Facebook natin, and again, it's a Pasay Baller as is. You can like that page for those who haven't. Message lang kayo doon. Sorry kung hindi ko agad nasasagutan. It's been a busy week. It has been a busy week so far. Kasi dami pinuntahan, trabaho din. So, pero normally talaga nasagot ako. I mean, you can ask those talaga. Dami ko nang nasagot dyan. Lagi talagang busy lang po talaga for the past week. So hopefully for tonight or hopefully for today, tama pareho yung ating prediction. Kanina, binigay ko sa Talk and Text minus 5 or minus 6. Ito naman Meralco plus 5 or plus 6. So maraming pong salamat. Ingat po tayo lahat. Blessed Sunday. Enjoy the day with your family. Peace out. Pasay lang.